Welcome to a new Genin video. Today, we're tackling a question that's plagued home cooks for centuries. Why do onions make us cry? And why do some people cry more than others? Grab a tissue because things are about to get teary and fun. Imagine an onion is sitting there, minding its own business, when, wham! You come in with a knife. The onion sees this as an attack. So, it unleashes its secret weapon, chemistry. Inside an onion, there are two main players, enzymes and sulfur-containing compounds. When you cut the onion, these two mix and create a chemical called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This sneaky gas rises into the air and heads straight for your eyes. Your eyes, being the sensitive heroes they are, detect the gas and think, uh-oh, we're under attack. They produce tears to flush the irritant out. And that, my friends, is why you end up crying in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about why some people cry more than others. It's not just about being sensitive. There's science behind it. First, some onions are meaner than others. Onions with higher sulfur content, like yellow onions, release more of that tear-inducing gas. Sweet onions, on the other hand, have less sulfur, so they're kinder to your eyes. But what about people? Some of us are born with more sensitive eyes. If you have a lower tolerance to irritants, the onion's gas will hit you harder. Even your cutting technique can make a difference. Chopping an onion quickly and cleanly releases less gas than a slow, squishy slice. Now, here's the fun part. How to outsmart the onion. Hack 1. Chill your onion in the freezer for 15 minutes before cutting. Cold onions release less gas. Hack 2. Use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes the onion and releases more of those tear-triggering compounds. Hack 3. Chew gum while chopping. This forces you to breathe through your mouth, reducing the gas that reaches your eyes. And for the truly desperate, there's always the classic option. Wear goggles. Sure, you'll look like a scientist in the kitchen, but your eyes will thank you. Despite all the drama, onions are totally worth the tears. They're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and compounds that help fight off illness. Plus, they add incredible flavor to almost every dish. So, the next time an onion makes you cry, remember, it's not just a vegetable, it's a superhero with a flair for the dramatic. If you found this video informative, please support us with a like and share it widely. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thank you!